How to fix update KB5060829, 0x80070983 or 0x80073712 in Windows 11 24H2. Hello friends, we have tried multiple things to fix these error codes when trying to install this preview cumulative update, but they don't work. We have tried resetting Windows Update Cache, running troubleshooter, running SFCI and DISM tools, but they don't work at all. So the ultimate solution for this error is to use the media creation tool to install the latest version of the operating system and then try to install the update. To install, launch a browser, type Windows 11 media creation tool, press enter, click on the link download Windows 11, scroll down. In the Create Windows 11 Installation Media section, click on Download Now. Once downloaded, click on the exe file, select Yes. On the applicable notices and license terms, click on Accept. On the next window, select Language and Edition, click on Next. Select ISO file here and click on Next. Select location, I am selecting desktop. Click on Save. Wait for the ISO file to download. After completed, click on Finish. Go to the saved ISO file, right click and select Mount. Right click on setup.exe and select Open. Click on Yes. On Install Windows 11 window, click on Next. Wait until checking for updates is completed. Click on Accept. On Ready to Install window, click on Install. Let the installation complete and then install the preview cumulative update. That's all friends. Thanks for watching the video.